I want to introduce the CFO, Jeff Atwater, and acknowledge his support for this critically important work in Florida. It's so important. Asset building is critical. Access to mainstream financial services is so important to the financial stability of our families, neighborhoods, and communities. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support.
Janet, thank you for the leadership that you all have brought to this. 2 million households that are either unbanked or underbanked. And if you think of someone in our state who possibly is trying to make ends meet on a weekly basis, maybe the experience that you speak of, and sometimes it sounds casual, but it's real life, paycheck to paycheck, or week to week, not being able to plan month to month. That a number maybe as significant as $30,000 a year, which for some would just reach out and embrace if they could find that kind of plan. Being underbanked would mean that getting a check cashed or going to have a check made at some location to be able to make payment could add up to fees of $2,000 a year. And there are individuals who by life experiences have felt intimidated within institutions. They have had an experience that was far more than just unpleasant, anxious, or discouraged to try again. And that's what you're allowing to happen here with Bank on Florida. That it's not a new law, it's not a new edict, it is a community that comes together here, in a united way with institutions, with partnerships saying, let's do the right thing. Let's remember those individuals out there who could be exposed to these institutions anew and know that there is a place. We would care deeply about them knowing there is a safe place to put their money, not take all that paycheck home, not wondering how they'll make the transaction of payment to purchase goods. Let us introduce you anew to this opportunity. And we can create the opportunity for you to have a safe and secure place and to be able again to be exposed to the conversation of what financial planning can mean, even if you're wondering if you have yet the resources to put a little aside. Let us begin that conversation so we can plan together your future and it be safer and secure than the one that you're seeing today. So we have a real day to celebrate, that a community recognizes this is void, and again, without calling on legislators for action to make any force, it is the community and institutions in the financial services world, banks and credit unions alike, saying, let us be the answer. Let us open those doors again and create products and create an educational opportunity and experience where those households, 2 million Florida households, can begin to see a little more comfort and a little more prospects of prosperity for themselves and their families. That's what's so exciting today. So as Chief Financial Officer of the state of Florida, I'm thrilled to endorse good work, good partnership, goodwill of the community coming together to try to meet those needs. And we're going to have to all rally. The educational experience is one that, how do you reach that household? How do you tell that story? How do you get that person to believe again that it can be a valuable experience to sit down with an institution that they haven't had an experience with in the past? That we should take on with enthusiasm and help make those introductions and get those relationships started. So thank you for letting me be a part of this. Thank you for what you're doing in this community, making a real difference to our fellow Floridians. Thank you. Appreciate it.